going to tell you about the strangest thing that I've ever painted. Someone came into the store recently and they wanted to purchase 2 wingback chairs. They were straight out of the 80s. Navy blue, burgundy, and cream stripe. But the legs were Chippendale. They were a blonde Chippendale wood style, and she could not live with them, and she wanted them darker. Well, she had been deliberating for days, coming into the store, couldn't decide if these would work for her, and the store owner told her that I could probably darken them up. So he sent me a picture and asked me if I would do it and how much I would charge. So I was like, that's easy, I can do that, yeah. Like easy money, right? So I did it, and it wasn't easy. It was easy, it was just longer than what I thought it would be. It had a lot of varnish on it, and I had to sand it down in order to stain the wood, because dark and decrepit is a great stain product, and that's what I prefer to use. I don't use Minwax or anything with chemicals. And sometimes if it's for like a tabletop, I will apply Big Top on there, but I'm thinking easy breezy. Well, it took a lot longer, and I had to do several coats. But turns out she was very well pleased. Well, she shows up at the store to look at the chairs, and they weren't supposed to be ready till Saturday. She had come in on Wednesday. I did them on Thursday, knowing that they could just sit there for a day or two, and then she'd get them Saturday. Well, she picked them up Friday. And when she came into the store, she came in with 2 more things that she wanted me to stain. This is where I tell you about the strangest thing that I have ever been asked to paint. Before I tell you, I want you to think about this. What's the craziest thing that you have ever painted or been asked to paint before or stain? Let me know in the comments. She started telling me about these 2 commodes that she purchased online. They were oak, and they were not as dark as what she thought that they were going to be. And when she got them, she couldn't live with it. She just couldn't live with it. Just like she couldn't live with that blonde wood. She had, and I'm talking, the legs were like this. Anyway. So I was like, yeah, I guess I can. I've never painted toilets before. I guess I can do it. Like, what in the world? I'm like, she's like, how would I clean it? I'm like, vinegar and water? Like, you know, microfiber cloth. That's my go-to answer. So anyway, I take them home. I can't believe I'm painting toilets. and the store owner will not let me live it down. He's cracking jokes left and right every day. And then one day he sends me this picture. And he's like, next thing you'll be decoupaging toilets. And I was like, you know what? You keep it up. And you're gonna come into the store, buddy, and you're gonna find your toilets decoupaged and full of transfers. Do not get loud with me, sir. Do not get loud with me. Rude. You know? Security. Security. You know what I'm saying? She loves her commode seats. She's ecstatic. She loves her chairs, and I'm so happy. She actually came into the store this week and she showed me a picture of her room, and it is straight out of the 80s. Wonderful. It looks great. She's got plaid, and she's got cranberry, and she's got navy, and she's got the wingback chairs, and it looks great. Valance is like straight out of the 80s. Plaid with the same colors. It looks great. I told her, and it really did. So but here's my second question. What do you say? How do you respond to someone that asks you to paint something outside of your comfort zone, something you don't want to do, something that's outright crazy? The strangest thing that someone has ever asked you to paint. How do you respond to them? Do you tell them no, or do you do it anyway? I want to know. Go ahead and post in the comments and let me know how you respond to someone's weird and strange out there request. Be sure to like this video. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know what you think about the commode. I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. I produce lots of videos of how-to tutorials. We're going to be doing a lot of milk paint tutorials coming soon, DIY paint, iron orchid design, and I do want to do more cooking videos. I've had people asking me about that. They think it's fun. You get to see more of our personality. We enjoy it. I love cooking. I love baking. So I would definitely want to do more videos on that. Comment below and let me know what some of your favorite cooking tutorials are, or what you would like to learn. And I would love to be able to do something coming soon on that. So anyway, I hope you guys have an incredibly blessed day. I hope that this was entertaining, and I hope that you enjoyed it. And don't forget to comment below and let me know what's the strangest thing that you've ever been asked, and then how do you respond to that request. I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.